Ever opened a jar and found spoiled food inside? Tired of guessing if last week's leftovers are still safe? Struggling with messy, unreliable food storage containers? Food waste piling up, costing you money every month? Traditional jar sealing takes forever and hurts your hands. Manual vacuum pumps are clunky and hard to use. Confused by complicated canning processes and special lids? Labels falling off, making meal prep a guessing game. Worried about preservatives in store-bought jams? Wish your homemade food could stay fresh longer? Hate throwing away good food because of poor sealing? Jars stuck tight, bottle openers nowhere to be found. Need a way to organize your pantry and reduce waste? Want a kitchen tool that's easy and automatic? Introducing the 2025 upgraded Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer. Fully automatic operation at the push of a button. No pumping, twisting, or manual effort required. Works with regular and wide-mouth mason jars. No need for twist adapters or special lids. Fits the standard jars you already own. Rapid sealing in just 27 to 35 seconds per jar. Seals over 100 jars per charge. Super high capacity. Sleek, portable design fits any kitchen or pantry. Type-C charging for fast, convenient power-ups. Modern breathing light shows real-time battery status. One-button operation makes sealing effortless. Precise groove alignment ensures a perfect airtight seal. Kit includes 10 lids, 5 regular, 5 wide mouth. No more searching for matching jar lids. Comes with a handy bottle opener for stuck jars. Includes 12 labels for easy meal prep tracking. Scribble dates to avoid tossing good food. Dual-size design seals both wide and regular jars. Fast liquid sealing, 600 milliliters in 27 seconds. Efficient for home cooks and food lovers alike. Perfect for restaurants, kitchens, and canning enthusiasts. Vacuum sealing extends freshness up to 8 times longer. Keep jams, fruits, salads, nuts, and meat fresh. Preserve homemade jam for 6 months. No preservatives. Cut food waste by 70% with airtight sealing. Save hundreds of dollars a year on groceries. Organize your pantry and keep food safe. No more mystery meat or wasted leftovers. Meal prep Sundays just got smarter and easier. Effortless sealing means less time in the kitchen. Reduce food spoilage and keep ingredients fresh. Perfect for bulk storage and frequent sealing tasks. Ideal for merchants needing efficient food preservation. Great for commercial kitchens and food retail environments. User-friendly design for experienced merchants and home cooks. No more wrestling with stubborn jar lids. Sealing is quick, quiet, and mess-free. Airtight storage keeps flavors locked in. Enjoy fresher, tastier meals every day. Protect your food investment with reliable sealing. Say goodbye to freezer burn and stale snacks. Eco-friendly solution for sustainable kitchens. Reduce single-use plastics and packaging waste. Make your kitchen smarter and more organized. Impress guests with perfectly preserved homemade treats. Take control of your food storage and savings. Upgrade your kitchen with the latest innovation. Join thousands of home cooks loving this new sealer. Transform your pantry into a money-saving superhero. Enjoy peace of mind with safe, sealed food. No more food waste guilt, just smart storage. Your kitchen deserves effortless, automatic sealing. Ready to save money and reduce waste? Get the 2025 upgraded Mason Jar Vacuum Sealer today. Experience the future of food storage. Order now.